Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Beginners Lab. Today, we are going to study about Amazon EC2 Auto Scaling. So, you can see that I have opened this page, and you can also come to this page like at your left bar. You can just see there's an auto scaling group. Just click on that in EC2, then you will be landing here. So, the question is what this thing does, why we need auto scaling group. For example, we are having a shop. Yeah, see, it's written over here also, but we will consider it with the diagram that why we need it. See, we are having a shop. We can consider this whole part as a shop, and this we are having four chairs, or we can say four number of members are working under us. So the maximum capacity of our shop is that four persons can work in it. Okay, but there is a minimum size also that I need, that there should be a single person. If no one is there, one person should be there at least. And I know that one person cannot handle the traffic. I can say the customers, those who are coming to my shop. So what will happen? My desired capacity will be two, but the maximum capacity of my shop holding will be of maximum size only, means like size 4. So what happens when I am hiring the extra persons? Then I need to pay extra. So same here, Amazon is showing that if you are using a minimum size or a desired size, you will pay for them. But when you will go out of the scale, go out of the minimum size, then what will happen? You need to pay more. Yeah, that's quite common because Amazon works on pay as you go. Its simple meaning is pay as much as requirements you need to pay that much only. If I'm using 10 resources, I will pay for 10. Okay, I can increase and decrease also. So this is a bit automatic one, means auto. Where the word auto games means automatic. Getting my point? So minimum is 1, desired is 2, and maximum size is 4. So we'll just move forward and look at that how we are going to check this. So we are beginners lab, so we prefer more on practicals, on lab practicals which you guys skip. If you want to read, see, read here. Benefits are there, related services are there, you can just read once. So we should begin. You can always look on these things like pricing and all the things you need to look. So let's see, let's go to our launch template. Here you can see it's in instances. Click on launch template. I've created before also, so I will just delete this ones first. So let's delete template, type delete. Yeah, delete. Okay, enter. So we are going to create a new template. So a template is like a syntax in coding. We can say that we are having a syntax, just we need to do basic syntax. So template I'm creating because I need my instances to run. I'm creating automatically. I want my program to create. So let's let OS image. Okay, quick start. Then Ubuntu. Let's scroll a bit down. We will use free tires only because these are for examples. You can choose anything as per your requirements also. See, now there are some options that you can just don't include in launch template, but you need instances, so just give it a micro free one. Now it's asking for a key pair login. Select the sample one. You can also create one. If you don't know, then just go and look our EC2 creation video. So select security groups. Security groups. I don't think so. We need it. So for the time, just leave it. Now in advanced detail, we are adding a bash file, same as we are adding Linux and displaying a message so that we get an idea that when our website is working. Okay. So at the right side, see, look at the summary, then launch your pen. And now see, successfully launched. Now here the thing doesn't end. Means some guys think that template created. No, no, no. Our main target is auto scaling group. Inside that we are having an option of template. So I'm creating this before only. So you can just check that our template is running fine. So go to your auto scaling, create one. See, before this page user interface was not like this. This seven steps now game. First is it was like a two page only or one page only. I don't remember also, but see, now we go for seven steps in which it's given also that these are optional, these are mandatory. So let's begin it. First, give our auto scaling group a name. It will be AS auto scaling group. ASG then sample only for creating for you guys. So see here. Here also you can just click on create template, but I have created before. This is the same thing. I select the template which I've created. Now click on the next button. Now what's it asking? Instance launch option. Okay. So you remember the diagram where I used to tell you the Amazon services. I told you, see, select all, because these are the subnets, these are for free. So here is the option of balanced best efforts or balanced only. So I'm choosing balanced only, best effort only, sorry. So begin with our third step is nothing, just no load balancer we need right now. We can attach load balancer also. See, here's the main thing. This is the health check. So what happens? It detects the unhealthy ones in a fixed interval of time. So here the time currently is 300 seconds. So I need to change it. So to show you guys first, 5 seconds is fine. No, no, no. I think 10 seconds will be fine for you guys. Okay. So this diagram, if you remember, of desired capacity, min capacity, max. So my desired capacity is 2. I need 2. But if anything happens to 2, then there should be a 1 and maximum 4. Same as diagram I'm giving. No policy, no scaling policies I'm giving currently. I just want to show you that how things work. Rest when you will go to companies, then you will see add notification. We don't need them. These things. Add notification tags. These are both things that we don't require now. See, go to review. You can check whatever you have done. Then now click on create auto scaling group. So what's happening? See, updating capacity. So we'll just wait for status to get completed. So click on the refresh button again and again till the time the status don't show something. See, now there is a dash. It means this thing is working. Okay. So we will go to our instances. So you will see this instances. I haven't created those. They were empty. These are created automatically. Getting my point? In auto scaling groups, instance will be created automatically. So let's see further. I'm just waiting for this status check initializing so that this thing can be get completed. So guys, now what I'm going to do is just I will stop one instance, selecting the second one instance and going to actions. See, I have selected this. Now I will go to actions. Oh, sorry, initial instance state. Then I will just delete it. See, there are many things it's showing us that it is attached to auto scaling group, all the things that you can read. So just skip this one and delete it. We will wait for it to get stopped. See, it's stopping. Once it gets stopped, let's see. So basically, what we have done, oh, I think we did a mistake because in our minimum capacity, we chose that minimum capacity should be 1. So no effect will be there. See, stopping still. So what we are going to do is now, firstly, let's refresh and check it once more. See, stopped. But I think it will give me a mistake because it should create a new one side by side, but it's not creating now. So because I know the reason, that minimum capacity, but still I'm checking. So selecting the another one also and terminating it. See, this is also the same things. So what should happen here? These all instances which I've selected, I've closed one by one. This should be get terminated, shutting down. See, so one is terminated already. Another will be also terminated. Now see, I have clicked only on refresh button, nothing else. My new instance came pending. You must be thinking, why pending game? See, I am not doing anything that I am pausing the video see running. Because in our auto scaling group, we have given a feature that minimum requirement of an instance is one. If every instances which you have attached with one thing closes, it will still be running. So let's select this instance and again I will show you once. See, I don't want you to skip the video because these things, when you will do, you will also figure out that yes, they are launching themselves only. But I want to show you practically that I'm not doing any kind of things like you are thinking that creating instances again and again for newcomers. No, this function is provided us by auto scaling group. So basically, its work is this only: whenever the instance will be unhealthy, damaged, or any fault tolerance will occur. Okay, see, I am creating here the action to stop it. So what happens after 10 seconds? After every interval time of 10 seconds, it's checking. So what happens when the 10 seconds time slots get completed? So it's checked that is there an unhealthy. So this is shuttered down. This will be shown as unhealthy one only. So what will happen here? So after every 10 seconds, it will give a command of. Now what will happen? See, we are deleting it. Now whenever auto scaling group will see it, okay, then it will be creating one automatically. All the instructions which we have given in that in advanced setting and all, see, again pending game. Fine. Yes. So guys, today see in load balancer also we can click no auto scaling group. See, before closing anything, before closing your EC2 instances, you need to delete this one. Okay. So here I can show you something I promised in my last video. See, health grace checkups are there 10. Default cooldown is there. Then I promise you to show the health one now. See, I will just show you here only. It's showing. See, when we go to instances, they are showing healthy. Whenever I will delete one, there will be unhealthy. It means it has created these both instances. I cannot close from here. I can detach or do other settings from here. So guys, that's all for today. We have created today our auto scaling group with the help of EC2 instance, where we have seen that whenever we are deleting a instance, our auto scaling group is automatically creating it with the help of a template. Template means a basic syntax, a basic code which we have already created. We just need to modify it in some time. So that's all for today, guys. See you in our next lecture. So if you are guys are having any kind of suggestions for, like, you need a particular video on AWS, please comment it down. I will try to work on it.